Hey everyone, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com. Today I just want to show you how to back up your WordPress site. Okay, so first of all you need to log in at your WordPress site. Okay, so right now I'm here at the dashboard of my WordPress site. So all you need to do is to install a WordPress plugin that can help you to back up your files. Okay, so you need to click on add new. Okay, choose the plugins at the left side, then search on my WP backup. Okay, but before I will search it, I want to give you some information about this MyWP backup. Okay, what this WordPress plugin all about. So MyWP backup was created by my team chef. Okay, so MyWP backup is the best way to protect your website in the event of server loss, data corruption, hacking, and to integrate your WordPress data easily. Because 90% of businesses that suffer a data loss are forced to close within 2 years. So website downtime can be incredibly costly for an online business. Not only does it result in loss in revenues from advertising or clients, but it also destroys user trust in your website and loss of visitors and reduced impression of your business. So in addition to that, over 30,000 websites are hacked every day, which can result in loss or corruption data. Okay, so the solution is MyWP backup. So 100% of businesses and websites that use my backup have avoided permanent data destruction and lost to their business, and have been able to focus on content creation as opposed to manual backups and technological stress. Okay, so right now we will install this MyWP backup. Okay, so let's go back here with our WordPress dashboard. So we are here now at the plugin section. So search this MyWP backup and then click install now. Once you install it, click on activate the plugin. So after that, okay, there's a tutorial here, you can take a tour. Okay, if you are new to WP backup, then you can take a tour. So you will see how to use this WordPress plugin. Okay, so getting started, step 1, you need a job to use to configure how and when a backup is created. So you need to create one now. So click add new, and then the name. So configure it, the name, the archive option. Okay, so let's name it Go Video Maker, because my site name is govideomaker.com. So file name, so you can create your file name. Okay, here, so, and then zip file and split backup. You can split this backup into a smaller volume, especially helps on a slow and unreliable network. Okay, so let's do it 5 MB per volume, then click save changes. Okay, so that's all. So we have now the backup files. Okay, So you can run now, or you can edit again. Then click on the content, click on the schedule, click on the destination. Okay, you can choose if Google Drive, so you need to access your Google Drive. So connect to Google Drive account, then click allow, then copy this code and put it right here, and then click save changes. Then you can still edit. You want to schedule manual, okay, then so you will see the report is an optional, so you can receive an email, okay. So you can fill up this one, then click save changes, then you can click run now. And then click the start. Okay, that's all. So right now the WordPress is now running, okay, so you can perform full backup. So that's all for now. I hope you learn something with this video. So if you have some comment, feel free to ask and comment below in this video, or if you want to download some WordPress plugins, you can visit imherbertflores.com/my-theme-shop. Okay, you can also download some free themes that you can use with your WordPress site. So that's all for now. Thank you and God bless.
Thanks for watching. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel.